Welcome to our journey through the evolution of chemical relaxing. In this lesson, we'll explore how relaxers have transformed from their early beginnings in the 20th century to the advanced products available today. We'll also break down the four basic relaxer services and the two main phases involved in the relaxing process. Whether you're a barber, stylist, or just curious about hair care, understanding the history and science behind relaxers will give you valuable insights into this essential service. Let's start by looking at why relaxers are so important in the world of textured hair. Think about someone you know with textured hair who styles it straight every day. Today, there are many options to achieve a straighter look with much less effort than in the past. Barbers who master basic relaxer services are in high demand because they can help clients achieve looser, straighter, and more relaxed styles. This skill not only meets client needs, but also opens up new opportunities for professionals in the industry. Let's dive deeper into how these services have evolved and what makes them so essential. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe the early breakthroughs that shaped relaxer services, name the basic relaxer services offered in barbershops, and explain the two key phases involved in performing a relaxer service. These skills are foundational for anyone looking to provide safe and effective relaxer treatments. Let's begin by understanding what relaxing actually means and why clients request this service. Relaxing is the process of loosening or reducing the curl pattern in hair, especially for those with curly or tightly coiled hair. Clients often seek relaxer services to loosen their natural texture, straighten their hair, or relax it and then reintroduce some texture for a softer look. However, it's important not to remove more than 85% of the natural texture, as doing so can damage most hair types. This balance is key to maintaining healthy, beautiful hair. The first relaxers were made from simple, everyday ingredients like potash wood ashes, lye, white potatoes, and lard. These early formulas often produced unpredictable results and were extremely caustic with a pH of 14. A later variation known as the conch included eggs. While these early relaxers paved the way for future innovations, they were harsh and could be dangerous if not used carefully. Madame C.J. Walker revolutionized hair care by inventing hair pressing, the first temporary method of relaxing hair. Her method involved applying petroleum jelly to clean, dry hair and using a heated metal comb to straighten it. Around the same time, Garrett A. Morgan invented the first chemical straightener for human hair. These pioneers laid the groundwork for the modern relaxer services we use today. In today's barbershops, there are four basic relaxer services performed most frequently: curl diffusion, virgin relaxer, retouch relaxer, and partial relaxer. Each service is designed to address specific hair needs, from loosening curls to straightening new growth or targeting particular areas. Understanding these services is crucial for delivering the results clients want. Curl diffusion, also known as a texturizer or chemical blowout, is a service that loosens or relaxes tightly curled hair patterns by about 50%. This method is ideal for clients who want to maintain some of their natural texture while making their hair easier to manage and style. It's a popular choice for those seeking a softer, more relaxed look without fully straightening their hair. A virgin relaxer is applied to natural, untreated hair. This service can straighten hair up to 85%, making it significantly easier to style and manage. It's important to perform this service carefully to avoid overprocessing, which can lead to hair damage. Virgin relaxers are a great option for clients seeking a dramatic transformation from their natural texture. Retouch relaxer services are performed only on new hair growth to match the previously relaxed hair. This technique ensures that the hair remains uniformly straight or relaxed from root to tip. It's a maintenance service that helps clients keep their desired look as their hair grows out, preventing uneven texture and breakage. Partial relaxer services are performed in selected areas of the head, such as the tapered nape, sides, or frizzy hairlines. This targeted approach allows barbers to address specific problem areas without relaxing the entire head of hair. It's a flexible option for clients who want to smooth out certain sections while keeping the rest of their hair natural. The relaxer service is divided into two main phases: the chemical phase and the physical phase. The chemical phase involves sectioning the hair and applying the relaxer product. Once the product is on the hair, the physical phase begins, which includes combing or smoothing, timing and testing, and finally rinsing and blotting. Each phase is crucial for achieving the desired results safely. Sectioning the hair is the first step in the chemical phase. By dividing the hair into manageable sections, barbers can apply the relaxer product more evenly and efficiently. This organization ensures that every strand receives the right amount of product, reducing the risk of uneven results or missed spots. Proper sectioning is a hallmark of professional relaxer services. The relaxer chemical should be applied with a professional applicator brush for best results. Using a comb or fingers is not recommended, as it can lead to uneven application and is not considered professional. The brush allows for precise control, ensuring the relaxer is distributed exactly where it's needed. The success or failure of a chemical relaxer service is strongly influenced by the physical phase. Any relaxer product left behind can severely damage the hair and scalp, so it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions closely. Proper technique during this phase ensures the hair is relaxed safely and effectively. Combing or smoothing the hair during the physical phase helps guide the hair into its new, straighter position. This step is essential for achieving a uniform result and ensuring the relaxer works effectively. Gentle, even strokes are key to preventing breakage and maximizing the benefits of the relaxer. Knowing when to stop smoothing and rinse the hair is crucial. There are two main ways to determine this: timing and testing. Timing involves following the manufacturer's instructions or industry guidelines, while testing uses relaxation tests like the comb test to check if the hair has reached the desired level of relaxation. These steps help prevent overprocessing and ensure the best results. Rinsing is essential to remove all chemical residue and stop the relaxer's action. Blotting removes excess water, which helps the neutralizer work more effectively. These steps are vital for protecting the hair and scalp from damage and ensuring the relaxer service is successful. Neutralizing is the final step in the relaxer service. It forms the hair into its new texture pattern and ensures the chemical process is complete. For sodium hydroxide-based relaxers, a neutralizing shampoo is used, while ammonium thioglycolate-based relaxers require a neutralizing solution. This step locks in the new shape and protects the hair from further chemical action. Throughout the relaxer process, it's important to check your understanding of each step. Review questions and knowledge checks help affirm your grasp of key points, ensuring you're ready to perform relaxer services safely and effectively. Continuous learning and self-assessment are essential for professional growth. Let's reinforce what you've learned with another set of review questions. These checks are designed to help you remember the critical steps and concepts involved in relaxer services. Take a moment to reflect on your answers and identify any areas where you might need more practice or study. Another opportunity to check your understanding. These questions are not just for review, they help you build confidence in your ability to perform relaxer services. The more you practice, the more skilled and knowledgeable you'll become. It's important to celebrate your progress as you learn about relaxer services. Validating your learning helps reinforce the knowledge and skills you've gained. Take pride in your achievements and continue striving for excellence in your practice. As you continue to validate your learning, remember that each step you master brings you closer to becoming a skilled professional. Celebrate your milestones and use them as motivation to keep improving your technique and knowledge. Keep celebrating your learning journey. Each concept you understand and each technique you master adds to your confidence and expertise. Stay curious and committed to continuous improvement in your relaxer services. Let's recap the key points from this lesson. We've covered the history of relaxers, the 4 basic relaxer services, and the 2 main phases of the relaxing process. You've learned about the importance of proper technique and safety, as well as the value of continuous learning and self-assessment. These foundations will help you provide excellent relaxer services to your clients. Take a moment to review the visual summary of the relaxer process. These images reinforce the steps and concepts you've learned, helping you remember the sequence and importance of each phase. Visual learning is a powerful tool for mastering new skills. Let's clarify the core concept. A relaxer is a chemical product used to loosen or straighten curly hair. It works by breaking down the hair's natural structure, allowing it to be reshaped into a straighter form. Understanding this concept is essential for anyone working with textured hair. The chemical phase is the first part of the relaxer process. It involves sectioning the hair and applying the relaxer product. This phase is critical for ensuring the relaxer is distributed evenly and begins to break down the hair's natural curl pattern. The physical phase follows the chemical phase and includes combing or smoothing, timing and testing, and rinsing and blotting. This phase ensures the hair is relaxed to the desired degree and that all chemicals are safely removed, protecting the hair and scalp.